Hello friend, welcome back to Total Maintenance YouTube channel. Story of this 97 Tacoma, which had that white smoke, crazy white smoke coming out of the exhaust, and videos how we discovered the coolant in number 3 cylinder. That's the one in the middle, and you immediately see, right, how that coolant cleaned that piston in that middle cylinder, right? These ones were black, the carbon deposit is still on it. Yet this one, it's shiny and cleaned by that coolant leak. And of course there was a question, is it head gasket blown, or, and hopefully not, the head is cracked somewhere, right? And it's leaking that coolant in that cylinder. Now here you are looking again, the middle one, it's number 3. You can see how it's wet, right? This is still full of the green coolant. Look how this is dry, completely dry. This one is almost perfectly dry. But look what I have found, and the diagnosis, it's pretty easy and there's nothing much to discuss. Because look on that head gasket. I on purpose didn't disturb it, I didn't touch it, I didn't clean it, and didn't do anything with it. So let's start on the rear one, right? This is the number 5. And if you look around on the edge of that gasket, there is a sharp edge. It's that steel material. Nothing is missing, right? And nothing is disturbed. Well, let's look on this middle one, which is the failed cylinder, right? And observe, I'm using this camcorder because it can go really close to the minimum focus distance. It's very good on this one, not like my big Canon. But right now this is the use. Look at that gasket. It's completely blown. It's completely destroyed in this area. Do you see that? I'm trying to do all the possible angles, right? So you can see it. Do you see how it's overhanging? This entire area. It's destroyed in like 2 different places. This is one of them, right? Right here. Do you see that? It's like a squeezed out into the cylinder, right? So it's completely destroyed. It's a fail. Obviously, huge fail. Once again, different angle. I'm just trying to show it, right? It's easy to see with the eye. Not so easy to show it in the camera in the dark area. And here is the number 1, right, cylinder. Again, observe the uniformness of that entire, right, that steel gasket, that edge. It's absolutely perfect. There's nothing wrong with it. Once again, look at this chunk. It's totally unbelievable how much damage, how easy it is visible, right? This one is also not really good right here. But at the moment before teardown, this cylinder wasn't misfiring, it was still running okay. But this damage is absolutely incredible, and hopefully that gives you some idea how looks blown head gasket on that Toyota V6 5VZFE 97 Tacoma. And that's all from me at this moment. I hope you enjoyed this video and you find it informative and also interesting. And make absolutely sure you are subscribed, because I have always great videos going your way soon. Thank you for watching and have a great day, my friend.